A step-by-step guide to LASIK surgery. What to expect. Embarking on the journey to clearer vision with LASIK surgery. Here's a step-by-step guide to what you can expect. Let's begin. LASIK surgery, a popular procedure to correct vision issues, primarily focuses on reshaping the cornea. Understanding the anatomy of the eye can help you grasp the nuances of this surgery. The journey begins with a detailed consultation with your doctor. This includes a comprehensive eye exam to evaluate your suitability for the surgery. It's a time to discuss your expectations and address any concerns. Before the surgery, your doctor will guide you on the necessary preparations. This includes avoiding certain medications and not wearing contact lenses for a specified period. Adhering to these guidelines is crucial. During the surgery, laser technology is used to reshape the cornea, correcting vision issues. The procedure is quick, with minimal discomfort, paving the way to a life with clearer vision. Post-surgery, your doctor will provide guidelines for care and recovery. Following these instructions diligently can ensure a smooth healing process, leading to successful results. After LASIK surgery, many experience a significant improvement in their vision. It opens up a world where you can enjoy life without the hindrance of glasses or contact lenses. Step into a clearer world with LASIK surgery. Visit our website shreyaeyecenter.com to learn more and embark on your journey to better vision.